Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mega Minion Gus from Despicable Me 4. So let's get started. To draw cute Super Gus, let's first start by drawing his goggles. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. We're going to have to draw a lot of circles today. It'll be good practice, hopefully. So I got one, and then I'm going to come right across, right next to it, and draw another one. If you're not comfortable drawing these circles, definitely find something at home you can trace with. But I think it just looks a lot better if it's not perfect. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come to the center, say about right here, find your center, and here as well. Give yourself 2 points, and we're just going to go around our circle and draw a rim for our goggles. So you go all the way around. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come back in here towards this edge a little bit more, and we're going to draw another circle for the eyes. And then we're going to come inside and draw another circle. And then this one we're going to shade in. And then right about here, we're going to draw another circle for a highlight. Make this one a little bit bigger. And when you color, this is the part where Gus's eye color will be. So let's do the same thing on this side. Just draw another circle for his eye. And a circle right here for a highlight. There. Okay, so then we're going to come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw the hinge on the goggles. Just come out right here, draw a line in the center, and same thing on the other side, about right here. And a little line. Then from there, we're going to come right about here, come down, and we're just going to draw a short strap. So we're just going to draw 2 curves kind of slanting down, and then we're going to connect it with a curve. So same thing here. And here. Just a short little strap and connect it. And actually we can kind of draw a line here as well, just for some details. And then we need to draw the head shape, which is a kind of like this cone, right? So we're going to come right here, come in, and we're going to come back to about right here. And we're going to aim towards our center. So I'm going to go find my center, and I'm just kind of imagining how high I want the head to go. So I'll say about right, I'll say here. I just give myself a point. Since it's easier for my hand to draw down that way, and I know this is my top point, I'm going to give it a little bit of, round it off a little bit, and then I'm just going to bring down a curve all the way back, right about here. So see which way is easier for you, and definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. And then once again, we're going to come all the way down. Back to there. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and continue this body. It's kind of like a rocket. And bring it down. So it's going to be straightened out about right here. And let's go all the way. And I almost forgot. So determine how far we need to go. We need to draw the mouth first. So right underneath these goggles, I'm going to say about right here. Just to make it a little bit simpler, I'm just going to go up right underneath these goggles and draw a big curve right underneath. And I'm going to come down about right here. and then connect it with a soft curve. There. Looks like a mouth already, right? But this is just the mask part. And then in here, we're going to draw a big wide smile and cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that, now we kind of know how far to bring our body. So we're just going to continue this down and we're going to start curving in. So not too much, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, just enough room for the overalls. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There, this big rocket shape, or radish, or carrot. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. The main part we need to draw is, we're going to find my center, skip a little bit of space. Well, okay, let's do this. I think this will be a little bit easier. We're going to come up about right here, a little bit above the mouth area. So let's say here, I'm just going to give myself a point. And I'm going to drag this across, give myself another point right here. So this, we're going to draw an angle curve down for the overalls. So say about right here. Same thing here. We're just going to try our best. And about right there. Just draw this slanted curve. And then this being our center, we're going to go ahead and just connect it with a curve right there. And then we're going to come back right here and thicken up the strap and bring it in. So same thing here. There, and I'm going to quickly draw a circle right in here before I forget. And then we're going to come back about right here, and we're going to draw a curve, bring it out, and same thing here. There. And then right about here, we're going to draw another curve. And here. The last minion drawing I did, I messed up this part so badly. But good thing I realized I was drawing it completely wrong, and I went back in and fixed it. So now I know how to draw a minion outfit really well. Okay, so come back right here and we're going to draw a pocket. So never be afraid to make mistakes, because it really teaches you to do it much better the second time around. Okay, so now we're going to draw this pocket right here. And then we're going to come in here and I'm just going to draw this oval shape for the logo. And put in an M right here. And shade everything else in. There. And let's see. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to let's come to the bottom. So this is about our center. We're going to come to the left a little bit, come to the right a little bit, and then we're going to draw the feet. So we're just going to draw two little angles, just a little bit wider at the bottom, and then we're just going to connect it, and for these little boots, minion boots, we're going to curve down and connect. So same thing here, because he's flying, so we're trying to make his feet look like they're just kind of floating. There. So cute, right? So then now we need to come right about here underneath the straps, and we're going to draw the hands. So I'm going to have him have the hands on his hips, so kind of like a cool superhero. So I'm just going to angle this and then put in the gloves right here. Nice and simple. So same thing here. To angle it down. To make sure I'm about the same level. And we're going to draw these gloves. You have room, then come down and a curve. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come back up here and we're going to draw our cape. So we're going to draw a curve and go, and same thing here. So I'm just going to drag this point across. And about right here, I'm just going to wing it and bring it in. Draw a little curve here for some detail. Right there, and then the rest of the cape will just kind of have her like say here, just kind of wobble. I'm going to drag this across, so I'm approximately the same height, and then we can just go ahead and wobble our way underneath and go right back up. There, and add some detail right here. Draw a line. And oops, before I go, I almost forgot. There's this little detail right here underneath to finish off our mask. When you draw this curve right here, right underneath, and bring it there, and then I think there's like a little circle right here, a little detail right there. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Mega Minion Gus from Despicable Me 4. I really hope you love this drawing, and I believe this will be the last Mega Minion. I've drawn them all, so definitely check out that playlist, the Minions playlist. And hopefully I've helped you draw them all fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos.